How's it going? So today I'm gonna be sanding down my trusty shit box, and we got a couple rust spots up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get this nice Harbor Freight disc and go to town with it, get all the rust off, and then I'm just gonna hit the whole roof with 500, just like I've been doing for the whole back area there. Then I'm gonna get some sealer, actually epoxy primer. I'm gonna spray over this, and then you guys can see already there's like a little dip in there from the layers of primer and paint, and then other bullshit from the previous years. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just wire wheel this till it's clean metal. I'm gonna prime it and put body filler, block it all down, and respray the whole roof black. And yeah, I'm gonna get to grinding. So yeah, just like that. I got most of the surrounding area as well. I'm gonna get a little bit higher here. It's basically kind of what you want to get. I'm gonna obviously sand a little bit more in here, in between like the actual windshield and the metal. So I'm gonna get in there with probably like a flathead, scrape all the major shit off, and then hit it with this guy, or get like a wire wheel or wire brush or something like that. But yeah, yeah, it's getting there. That was really fast. I'm gonna hit the other spot and yeah, keep going. So I have another spot of rust right here. This is basically what that one started off as, but it was way more uglier and worse looking than that. But yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing. Take this little wheel, whatever the fuck you want to call it, I don't know what it's called, but kind of just got it. Takes freaking paint, everything off, right off. So looking way better already. I'm gonna keep going a little bit more. Whoops, this thing just died on me, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's dead. Got a quick little tool swap for the brand new Milwaukee. Let's go ahead and try this guy out. All right, so that's already like most of the rust. Now I'm gonna go ahead and break up whatever's on that inside right there. I'm gonna just basically kind of, chip away at it. See how that just broke right off? There's really no point of, trying to even get, like a wire brush or anything in there right now, because it's just kind of gonna flake away. Old ass seam sealer just being rotted away. Look at that. I went ahead and I just primered the two rust spots with some epoxy primer. I'm supposed to use like etching primer, but I just have epoxy primer, so I just used that. I got it all down to clean the bare metal. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, or what I've been doing, is 500 grit, wet, and I've been just kind of trying to blend in and get rid of like all the high spots from the primer, because the primer, at least out of the gun that I'm using, really kind of throws out like little flakes, and you can kind of hear the difference between the paint over here and over here. It's way softer. Yeah, it's nice and smooth, ready for base coat. So I hit this spot right here. I'm gonna keep going a little bit more right here because I still have a little low spot right here. So I'm gonna try to kind of blend that in with the wet sand. But yeah, this spot right here is all good. I already got a little bit in there. I don't want to go too crazy and burn through the primer, but just like that, you can't even see the low spot no more. You guys can kind of see right there in the light. It's nice and uniform, nice and even. So yeah, I'm gonna move on from this one now. This one's nice and buttery smooth. All right, so back again. Nice Bondo, smoothed out. Got the bare metal stuff primed. Now I just took some wax and grease remover and just went over all the fucking spots I just did. And yeah, it's ready to throw another coat of fucking primer on. Now, at the surface prep, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my primer. So I'm just gonna kind of get some in there real quick. That's probably about half of one, basically. Because I'm only doing 2 little spots, so I mean, I don't really need that much. Okay, just like that. Shit's really messy. Throw my little primer in the gun. That potion right there, boy. Look at that shit. Add some gas. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, dude. You ready for this shit?
Why don't you ever record with like your actual camera?
I was gonna bring it here, but then I forgot it. Along with everything else, I forgot.
Alright guys, so I got the whole car. Just sorry about the generator, but I basically got the car all smoothed out with 400. Just got everything all day with 400. I'm gonna wax and grease the whole car, and then we're just gonna go ahead and put some sorry, it's like fucking 7 in the morning and I've literally been up all night, all morning with these guys. Shout out to these guys, but yeah, literally we're just gonna put some tarps, some bags or whatever on all the windows and shit. And yeah, start spraying. But yeah, all the body fillers, oh man, it's gonna be fire. I'm so happy. This is the day. All the panels came out good. All I gotta do now is paint the mirrors. Have them taped up, prepped. Now I just gotta spray them. In. Now I'm putting the actual like window weather stripping in, but that's how it came out. Super spotty. It's like this side came out decent, but this side came out like shit because I had no room and no lighting on the other side. But it is what it is, I guess. But yeah, it's nothing too crazy, I guess, but yeah, dude, even the fucking no overspray on the roof underneath, or the trunk.